Hi guys, welcome to my channel Bytecode Pandit. Today we are going to discuss about a very hot topic, that is a higher order component. I have taken lots of interviews for the React.js and React Native developers and asked the same question, what is higher order component? And you know what? They know only about the definition and some of the examples like connect in class component. But in this video, I will show you that when and how to use higher order component, and also we will solve some real life scenarios. So let's have some code. Okay, let me first create a React.js project. Okay, so as we are going to discuss about the higher order components, so let's first define the higher order component. Then take another component as a props. Let's define count. And assign it some value. Let's define another variable HOC, which is a fat array function, and provide us the updated component. Then we have to return HOC. Okay, let me define some child component. Okay, let me interpolate some data that we are gonna pass a count. Let me define another child component. Def. Okay, let me bind the count. Now we have to define another variable with the name component, which will use the higher order component to get initialized. Pass the child component. Okay, now you can see the data in UI, right? Okay, so let me reduce some array value, make it 10. Okay, let me define another component, that's another variable, you can say. Okay, so I just assign first name and last name to differentiate between both of the component. Okay, let's define more variables which we will use as a component. Okay, now you can see that it is working fine, right? The count we write only once, and we write the logic only once, and now we are using that logic for the both of the component, right? That is the power of the higher order component. Okay, let me handle some more real life examples. Okay, let me explain you that what we are going to handle. Suppose that we have an API which provides us the list of the employee, and every employee has a basic detail like first name, last name, age, and the addresses, right? And we have to show the list of the addresses at some places and the list of the basic detail at the another places. Okay, so what we can do, we can hit the API separately into the both component, or we can use the higher order component and write only once to call the logic to call the API and use for the rest of the component. Okay, let me show you what do I do. Let's create a component. Employee brief details. employee addresses, let's define the component employee addresses. Okay, so we will pass the data as a props. So let me just iterate that data. City, states, country. Okay, now let me export it. And the same kind of things for the employee group details. Just rename the component. Okay, here we have a first name, last name, and the age. Now let's import these components into the app.js. Okay, let us define the another higher order component for the employees. Okay, let's define a state which will hold the list of the employee. Initialized with empty array. Okay, I have already written some dummy data for the employee. Let me just copy and paste to save the time. Okay, we have to add age. Okay, now we just have to initialize this set data with that list of employee. Let use set timeout to give feelings of calling the API. Now we have to define a variable HOC which will hold the wrapped component and will pass the data as a props. Now let me return the HOC. Yeah. Okay, let me create a two variable. First is the employee details and pass employee brief details, and second is the employee address list and pass the employee addresses. Now we just have to include these components into the UI. And now you can see that we have a list of employees brief details and the addresses, but you can see here that we only write the logic only one time and we are using the same logic for the multiple components. So this is the power of higher order component. Yeah, so this is all about the higher order component.
I hope the video was informative and it's really helped you to understand the HOC in a very simplified way. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and you can also subscribe my channel and hit a bell icon.